Hey everyone, I'm back again with another mukbang, and today I have Chick-fil-A. Um, so yeah, what I got was the regular Chick-fil-A with a couple of pickles. I like it with the mayonnaise, but I forgot to get mayonnaise. I like their mayonnaise, but I forgot it. So yeah. I love Chick-fil-A. I also got some of their little um, chicken nuggets. I think that's what they're called. And some of their fries. And I also have their Chick-fil-A sauce, their Polynesian sauce, their sweet and spicy sriracha sauce. It actually smells pretty good. It smells kind of like Italian dressing, and their ranch. I have ketchup too, but I don't really eat ketchup with it. And I got me a drink with the little Chick-fil-A guy on it. So, let's get to eating. So how's everybody's morning, noon, night, or whatever it is at the time you're watching this? I hope you're having an awesome one. How'd your Friday go? To me, my Friday went by real fast. I had a lot of stuff going on, and which I had to go to one building, then back to my building, and go take care of some other stuff in another building. So yeah, I was running around everywhere today, but which was good because I was able to, my day was able to go by faster. So, but anyways, I'm gonna try this Polynesian sauce. I think that's how you say it. Sweet taste to it. I like that one. That one tastes good. I never tasted this one. I always get the Chick-fil-A sauce. That tasted real good. Kind of heat to it. A little heat to it, but it tastes real good. I've never tried it before. Let me know if y'all tried it, because that tasted pretty good. But I like this Polynesian one better. I thought they had more than these, but I guess not. You. I didn't open it. Let's see if I can open it. If I can open it. This is the Zesty Buffalo. Let's try it. That is real zesty. Real zesty. Tastes good, but I don't like the zestiness. I like to put my fries in the Chick-fil-A sauce. This little griddle that I bought, it's a good thing to have whenever you're coming home with your food and the fries get cold. You just throw them on here and they warm them up real quick. Just don't put plastic on there. Look at what happened. It melted it. I wasn't even paying attention. It's all good. I caught it before it died. I didn't eat nothing because I knew I was going to go and get this today. So I didn't eat nothing all day long. I was waiting. I was waiting all day long just so I could eat this. No breakfast. No lunch. Just so I can eat this. Still looking at the buffalo sauce. It's a little spicy. I like this Polynesian one. This one is so good. Alright guys. Eating more than talking. Only bad thing about having long nails, you can hardly open anything. My puppy's just staring at me. I went to go get this food. You should have saw how packed it was there. Oh my god. They have 2 lanes. Like, they have 2 lanes for the drive-thru. There was like about, whenever I got in line, there was 12 cars ahead of me. And then by the time I got to where you order, there was about there was about 20 cars behind us. That place is popular. They only have 2 places. They only have 2 places in town, Chick-fil-A. One place is in the mall, and then the other place is like right by H-E-B, you know, like a regular place. And yeah, that place gets packed. The one in the mall gets packed sometimes too. But that one that's right there by H-E-B, whew, I swear, them people are always busy. I don't know how they do it, but they do it. They're always busy. I didn't really like the sriracha one. I don't really like the spicy stuff. As y'all can tell in my video with the spicy noodle challenge, I was crying like a baby. Well, inside. I like the Polynesian one, man. Next time I go, for sure I'm gonna order that. Chick-fil-A used to have um they used to have this chicken salad sandwich. Oh my god, it was like to die for. It was so good. You didn't even have to put nothing extra. No mayonnaise, no extra mayonnaise, no salt, nothing like that. I mean, it was perfect just the way it was. And then they took it off the menu. And I was like, are you serious? I mean, that was the thing that I would get all the time. I wouldn't get nothing else. I would only get that. Look at how good that looks. Moving on my french fries. I opened up another one and I still had one. This is so yummy. My husband was supposed to go to work, but yeah, he decided not to. decided to take the night off. Okay, I'm not complaining. But yeah. I know. I hate when the weekends come because that means I have to go wash clothes. And the place that I go wash clothes at is always busy. It never fails. It's always busy. Always somebody there. Always somebody trying to hurry up and finish their laundry and take up all of the dryers or all the washers, you know, before anybody else can have a chance to do it. Mm. Now I know why it was hot. I forgot I had this thing on. This video is going to be a burping video. I see it now. Jessica's eating show. Chick-fil-a Mukbang. Tons of burping. That's my headline to my title. Nah, I'll probably change it up a little, but yeah. Pretty good. Bye. So good. Let me try it with this other sauce. Look how good that looks. Tastes pretty good to me. We had this other lady, she's the boss lady, she come to our building and brought this machine, and now we have to, like, they're going to change our machine, how we clock in. And when we clock in, we have to do our hand like that. We put our hand in like that, or we put our number and then we put our hand. And I guess it's for, you know, so you can't tell nobody, hey, clock me in, you know. So they can't do that, so you have to do your own hand. So they can't lie and say, oh yeah, I was here that day, can't you see, I clocked in, whatever. So yeah, they have that. But the boss lady went, or she's the boss of another area, but she's over us too. And she brought this machine, and instead of it being our whole hand, it's either this finger or this finger, our thumb or index finger. So it's either you put this finger or you put this finger. And when I put my thumb, you can see my nails. You see my nails? How long they are? Well, when I put my nail in there, it touched the top part of the machine, because it has to get this whole part right here, that part only of my thumb, And when I put it down, you have to do it 3 times. And every time I put it down, I could feel the front of my nail scratching the front of the machine. Oh. I was like, oh, that's one bad thing about having nails. My daughter, in her department, they've already started doing that new machine. They've had it for a while now. They've had it for a while now, and we're barely going to get it. Well, we're not going to get it yet. She has to put everybody in the machine, get it all set up, and then they have to get the people that install them to take it to our building and install it in our building, and then we can start using it. But for right now, we have to use our whole hand to clock in. It's pretty much the same thing. Doing your whole hand and doing the thumb or the finger, either one. But you still have to push the numbers to clock in. You still, I think that's what she said. Unless you just go put your finger. And you know what? I don't remember what she said about that. I don't know if you just go over there and put your finger and it clocks you in, or if you have to actually push the number like you do now and put your finger in there. I don't remember. I forgot to, I know I asked, but I didn't even pay attention because my boss lady that's over me in that building was talking about something, so I kind of went off into the other conversation and I forgot about that conversation. Oops. So hopefully she wasn't saying nothing bad about me and I wasn't paying attention, and she could have been talking crap and me not even know because I went to the other conversation. No. So yeah. If any of y'all get the Chick-fil-A, the #1, the one with just the pickle in it, do y'all put anything else in it? I put mayonnaise in mine when I have their mayonnaise. I won't put no other mayonnaise. I'll only put theirs. I don't know if y'all noticed, they have mayo at their restaurant, and then they have Chick-fil-A mayonnaise, or I don't know how it says it on there, but it's a Chick-fil-A mayo. Well, not mayo, mayonnaise. And then they have the mayo, and it does have mayo on it. I don't like the mayo. I like the Chick-fil-A mayonnaise. I like putting that in it. And if I don't have it, I'll use the Chick-fil-A sauce. But what do y'all put in it? Or do y'all get a different one? Do y'all get the #1? Or what do y'all like to get at Chick-fil-A? I was going to get one of their shakes, but by the time I got home, it would have been melted. So I was like, man, I wasn't even worried about it anymore. Today was kind of like an off day for me. Like, it was like I was here, but I wasn't there. I don't know if y'all understand what I'm saying. Or like I was at work, but didn't want to be at work. But then I didn't want to be at home. It's like one of them days where you don't want to be at home and you don't want to be at work. Or maybe like a day to yourself or something. I don't know how to explain it. It was just an off day for me. If anybody is on my Snapchat, or I think on one of my videos I had mentioned it. But if anybody's been on there and they've seen for a few days now, especially this morning, this has been happening since Sunday. No, yeah, since Sunday. I've been waking up and my right hand, this hand, has been so swollen I can't even close it. I put it together and I go like this, and you could tell, like, you can't even see my knuckles. See how you can see my knuckles right there? And you can see them real good on this side. See? Well, you can't even see this. You can't even see no bones. You can't see this. You can hardly see, whenever it's swollen, you can't even see the veins that good. Looks like I have a bruise because I don't know why. But anyways, I've been told to go to the doctor, go get checked out, go to the doctor, go get checked out. I haven't went. I'm kind of scared to go. I'm kind of scared to find out what they're going to tell me. And in a way, I don't want to hear if it's bad news. That's the only thing I'm scared of. I don't want it to be bad news. My daughter keeps on telling me. I did try calling. Try getting an appointment with my doctor. My doctor wasn't there. So I don't want to see nobody else. I just want to see my doctor. So I don't know when he's going to be in. I have to call back Monday to see when he's going to be in. They didn't want to give me an appointment time because they want to make sure that he is going to be there. I don't know why. I didn't understand that, but yeah. So now I have to wait so I can get an appointment with them to get checked out. Which is crazy. But hopefully soon I'll be able to go to the doctor and I'll be able to find out what's wrong with me. Hopefully it's nothing. Hopefully it's just maybe, something I ate. You know how sometimes you eat a certain something, your face will swell up. Maybe my hand swell up. Just a thought. It might not be that. I don't know. I'm just saying. I don't know if it's that or not. But when I find out, I'll let y'all know. If you are interested in knowing, I'll let y'all know. I did do a snap earlier. It was kind of weird because I was gonna take a picture. I was gonna say something on my snap, and when I was looking at it at the phone, I noticed that there's a vein right here. Instead of me focusing in on my face and what I was gonna say, I'm over here with the phone on my neck, and all you see is that vein just popping. I'll see if I can save it, and I'll show y'all the way it looked. It was crazy. Whew, I'm full. Well, guys, I ate the majority of my food. I'm already full. I think I waited too long to eat, and I was like so excited to eat this food, and I'm like, I was trying to eat it all, and can't. I guess because I waited too long. I don't know. Maybe that's the reason why. I don't know. You never know. It could be many things why I can't eat it all. But but anyways, yeah. So I did like the sauces. I didn't really like the sriracha one and the buffalo one. But the Polynesian and the Chick-fil-A sauce are the bomb. Yes. Those ones I'll eat. Well, the Polynesian, I just barely tasted it today, and I'll eat that one every time I go now because of the way it tastes. It tastes awesome. But that one and Chick-fil-A sauce are the only two that I would get from now on. They taste real good. The other ones, the ranch that I got, it was garlic and herb. I didn't really like it. I like just regular ranch, nothing else, just regular. Oh, excuse me. Yes, definitely this is a burping video. So if y'all like burping, come check out my videos. That's all I do. I do say excuse me, but that's all I do in my videos. Well, guys, I guess this is the end of my video. I hope y'all like my videos. Subscribe if y'all haven't already. Don't forget to hit that little bell so you get notified whenever I post a video. Don't forget to share my videos. Share everywhere. And my Snapchat and my Instagram are down below in the description box. Don't forget to comment down below. Let me know what y'all were eating with me. Let me know what y'all thought of my video. If you don't want to put in the comments, DM me, email me, go to my Instagram, send me a message, send it on Snapchat, send me an email. There's lots of ways to get a hold of me. So if y'all want to add me to any one of those, go for it. I mean, I add everybody. Let's see. So, alright guys, well, I hope you like this video. And as always, bye.